Right, welcome to another video. And in this video, we'll be looking at how to work with charts. We're creating some quick charts, how to create a dashboard, storytelling, pins, parameter. It's loaded, it's a lot. So I might break them into short videos based on one feature function, however you put it, or it might be a combined video. So just get that set, get it ready. So let's do something quickly. So I'll connect to a CSV file or not any of this. So this UK bank customers, anyone connect to that. Just as I said whenever you have CSV files, text files, so it picks everything up from you. Don't be surprised about that behavior. Fault is not from you. Tableau doing its thing. Okay, so we have the balance, dates joined, job classification, region, age. Region is picked as text, common stuff used with Tableau, surname, name, and we have the customer ID right there. So let me just go here. We're not performing a join or a blend, it's just a single data source, and that's what we're working with. So quickly, let's say we want to see gender, see gender. Now, okay, working with chat. Let's quickly do something. Now, here we have show me, and it says for every chart, it tells you below here what particular data you need to select, whether it's a measure or a dimension, to be able to visualize using a particular chart. Okay, of course, you should know which chart to use and why you should use it. But then, let's say you don't know where to drop it, say in the row, in the column, the canvas here, in this max card, you don't know where to put it. That's totally fine. All you have to do is come here, right? Come here and look at it. It says for a pie chart now, it says one dimension, one or more dimension, one or two measures. That means you can only use two measures, but you can have multiple dimensions. Of course, ensure that when you're using a pie chart, you don't have more than 5 slices. It's important to keep things simple. You don't have 20 slices on the chart, on a pie chart. I mean, so anything that has to do with ratio, you want to see the percentage of something to another thing, you can use the pie chart. So let's look at the ratio of male to female. We'll do that quickly. So this is just working with charts. Let me just say working with charts. Okay, that's correct. Alright, let me take that out. It's working with charts right there. Make that bold. Right. Oh, what just happened? I wanted to press OK actually. Alright, that's gone. Okay. Okay. So I'll just be using this only this canvas for all the charts. I'll remove them again. Right. So let's say I put gender into colon. Of course, what I want to visualize is supposed to be in colon, and I put customer ID, it's a count, adult members. So I'm seeing all of these. This is not what I want. I actually want a pie chart. So how do I get a pie chart? Now I have one dimension. Okay, I have two dimensions actually. I have two dimensions. I want to see pie charts. So what I can do is convert this to, let me click here. I can click here and convert it to continuous, right? Our chart is still not enabled because it's a measure. It's still a dimension, but it wants a measure, right? So what I can do is what, bring it here, and now see this is measure, right? So I want to convert it to a measure. So you can see that even though it's screen, it's still a dimension, it's still a dimension, but a continuous dimension. We want a measure actually, so I can say count. So now that I've changed it to a dimension, my chart is supposed to be activated, but it's still not activated. Can you see? Because it's still on dimension, not on measure. It is still on dimension. Can you see why the count is not? Okay, now the count has peaked. So Can you see the chart is now enabled? So I can click on pie chart and I can see that. Click on this view on your toolbar, you see standard, click on entire view to have this bigger size, or you can use this your pie chart size to make the adjustments. Right. So that seems a bit stressful of that. How else could you have done it faster, easier, and better? Now, if you notice, all the fields we these shelves have been cleared. The row shelf has been cleared. The column shelf has. Now we have them in color, angle, which is not usually there. Depending on your visualization, there's always a sixth option, your max card or more. So and also count and also size. So it's basically took them out of here and put them into that max card to do this visualization, right? So that is one way you could have done it. So what did we do? How did we came here? We saw that we need one or more measure and two dimensions. So we want to see number of customers that are male or female. We want to see number of customers that are what? That are male or female. Do you understand? So we had to change this to a count because before it was just acting as a label. That's why it was blue. Now if I change it back to a dimension, lose this visualization, can you see blur just blacked out like as if it's disabled. All the charts are disabled, showing me red, right? Because they cannot categorize two dimensions. So change it back to a measure and change it back to count, and we have this view. Another way we could have done that, let me undo it. And one thing you should notice that this custom ID only changed in this max card, and when we configured it here, it is still a dimension here. Okay, so we didn't affect it here, and that's one practice to keep in mind. So let's say we do that again. All we can do next is select it and also select gender. Now, sadly, it's still not giving us that option. So one thing we could have done is bring this here. Now, customer ID is in dimension. This, this I how did I do that? Let me click out. Click on the first one, and this could be your first one, it doesn't matter. And you hold your control. You click on the second or the second pew. So you have the two P highlighted, and you can see your chart right away. You can see what it did for you. Put them inside here for you and you have in your chart. Let me use size to increase it. So for a better view, I'll use the entire view, and this is it. So if I bring this back, visualization is still there, so it's still right there. That's another way you could have done it. Okay. All right, that's how to pick a pie chart. Let me see what else we can pick. So take all of this out. Okay. Yeah, if you notice that I using it. Okay. So what other thing is, let's say region. Okay, why am I having this? Okay, it's on pie. Look at my max card. It's on pie. That's why I'm having pie chart. So all you have to do is click on your max card, click on automatic, and it is gone. Now it's still having this box unnecessarily. Right. So remove it first. Everything is cleared. So do that again. Okay. Just because we just use the particular just leave that. Um okay, so we have each region. We have them in row, put them in column. They're coming this way. So they want a text is just big actually, the entire view. So that's why we have it that way. So the next thing we can do is um, okay, let's say we want to see the balance by region, right? So England as highest. Wow, that means probably most of our customers come from England. Don't know, we can't tell yet. Of course, I just they are the most richest, right? So we do the customer ID. I'll put it inside detail. Now we're having this. So we can do it. Let's leave it into detail and change it to a count. Measure counts. See this, so we can see the count, the number of customers from that place. This is 2,159. This is 211, 1,124, and 520. And yes, that is where most of our customers come from, and that's why I've been open balance of 84 million, 4.8 million naira. Okay, pounds, dollars, GBP. Alright, because this is UK, not Nigeria, so you can easily see that. So this is how to use a bar chart or a flow chart. And how do you do that directly from here? Let's take out all of this. I'll click on region, hold your control down, click on balance, click on show me. You can see your bar chart, right? It's recommended. Everything here. Now it's picked this, highlighted is recommended, all these are enabled. These are other options you can use, right? So I'll click on this. By default, brought this into column, and I'll just swap up here in the toolbar. Come here, it says Control W. Just click it to swap. The same thing I just saw. You can turn on the label. You can see that if I adjust the view, so I can see the balance sitting right there on it. Just click on the entire view. That's very much tight, right? That is that about the chart. So you can explore all of the charts. Just as I said, if you don't know how to pick a particular chart, all you have to do is come here, look at what criteria. Once you see the criteria, select them from here. Click on show me. See that particular chart activated for you. Okay. So if you want a bin, it says just one measure and you bin. So I just click on balance. Now I click on balance, but it's not showing me bin. Sorry. Standard. It's too wide. Okay. All right. This is better. So I want a bin. Let me clear this shelf first. Remove, take out. Okay. If I click this, now I'm seeing a bin. So it was still picking those two. If I click on this right away, it's in a bin. Okay. So that's the easiest way. All you can now do is configure your bin. How? Click here. Okay, sorry. I just click that you right click on it, I mean, and then you come to edit. Then you see your bin size. Say 10,000. Bin size is just how do you want to categorize your data for you, right? How do you want to categorize it? So I'll explain that better. Just take that out. I'm just showing you charts, and that is how to chart. So I'll keep this video short. I'll stop here, and then I'll continue another video with dashboard. Uh, how to create a dashboard. I don't think that's much of a problem, but then take a look at it. But we'll see how we can create a bin. We'll create some charts again with a bin and create a story as well. Just take a quick look, just a peek. All right, these videos in the next. Don't forget, practice, 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 and practice.